Now we will install the SQLi labs. So I'll tell you the steps so you can also configure. You can also install this lab on your machine for practice. For this, you have to download Metasploitable 2.0 from. You can download from any link. I'm giving you a drive link. You can download from there also. Okay. After that, you have to also download some other VMware or other VirtualBox. So my favorite is VirtualBox. I download VirtualBox. Okay. So see, this VirtualBox is there now. I downloaded this Metasploitable. So in Finder, I'll right click, extract this first. So extracted. Now after extracted, you can click on new. Name you can give lab. Type is Linux based. Version is Ubuntu based. Continue. You can give any RAM. Use an existing virtual hard disk. Do not create. Okay, because Metasploitable having already a hard disk. Okay. Click on this file and select that virtual files. The virtual hard disk file. That is maybe Metasploitable. Where is Metasploitable? Yes, there it is. You can select this. Now create. You can settings, network, NAT to bridge. You can do this bridge. Click on OK. Now start. So we started the lab. Now switch. Yes, let's switch. So this is just a lab. Okay. Now I will log in first by MSF admin and MSF admin password. The username was MSF admin and password was MSF admin. Now I'll search for ifconfig. Yes. Now see, the lab IP address is 192.168.0.110. Yes. Now lab setup, the I got IP address is 192.168.1.110. Every lab will see on your PC, it will be different IP address, so don't worry, you have to check it. Okay. Now set up SQLi labs there. So it will work as a server now. Okay. See this, it will work as a server. If you will browse here, it will work as a server now. So it's correct. Okay, 0.110. Okay. So I'll do 0.110, 192.0.110. See this. So lab will work as a server, Metasploitable server. Now I have to install SQLi labs there. So for this, I'll go to cd space/var/w. I'll w in Metasploitable. Okay. So let's go to cd/var/ww. Now I will first make myself as a root. So I'll do sudo space -s, sudo space -. It will ask. It's asking for the MSF admin password. So I know the MSF admin password. I will give that. Now I'm a root user now. Now I will download a file there, wget, from my websites, hackersera.com/sqli-labs-master.zip. So I will download this by wget space http://hackersera.com/sqli-labs-master.zip. Now I download it. Now I will unzip that, unzip space SQLi dash labs dash master. So after this you have to unzip that master zip. Now after you know the server path. The server path is /sqli dash labs dash master. Go there. Now you first click on setup. Now this see this the lab setup you can try on now one by one. Question mark id equal to 1. Yes. So SQL labs done there. Installation done. I hope it's clear to you how I install this. So I'm before I'm going to next see I'm giving you the source of these labs. This I done from the github.com. So I must appreciate this man. I call it as a Audi. Everyone calls it maybe SQLi dash labs. So yes, he is a man. He uploaded their SQLi all the lessons there. You can contact Facebook SQLi labs there. Yes. So I hope it's clear to you